Hey guys, it's Sabrina and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm actually going to be doing kind of like a little vlog, day in the life type of video. Is my day off. I'm going to be running some errands. I'm going to the laundromat right now as we speak to wash some clothes. I have some packages I have to drop off the post office. Might take you guys to Dollar General with me, kind of just seeing what kind of Christmas decor that they have. So, going to be hanging out, and as like I said before, today I'm going to be announcing the giveaway winners. So they are going to be in my description box when I upload this video. I'm going to go ahead in the description box as well, have my Instagram name, and then I'm going to go ahead and go to the other video, and then comment back on whoever my winners are, and then if they could give me their Instagram username or follow me or message me or whatever works best. I want to make sure that I get your addresses and get your prizes shipped out as soon as possible. But I'm going to go ahead. I have 2 baskets in here and then 2 small baskets in the trunk, and I also do have a full Savers bag full of thrifted items that I'm also going to show you guys too. And then I have like my cleaning products for laundry, and I thought I would show that for you guys too. So if you like this type of video, I know it's completely different, go ahead, leave it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below what your favorite part was, and if you want to just see what I'm doing today, then just keep watching. Took a while, but finally did all my laundry. It was literally like 6 loads of laundry, and I'm hot and exhausted. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got at the thrift store recently. They're all currently washed right now. I'm gonna go ahead and load up my car with my laundry basket. Like, I'm not even kidding you guys. I will show you how many laundry baskets I have. I had the bag where I had all my thrifted stuff in. I have this tall laundry basket, and then I have this little laundry basket and that laundry basket, all full of my clothes, Avery's clothes, towels, blankets, you name it, it's in there. But I kind of have everything all categorized, so we'll go ahead and we're just gonna start with jeans. These I recently picked up. These are the American Eagle. These are the Kick Boot, a size 6 regular, and it is the AEO denim. I'm gonna try looking these up and just seeing like how old or which season exactly these are from, but they do fit me very well. They do have like different, I think, toned metals and the butt pocket. So that's what the backs look like. There's no distressing on them. They're in really, really good condition, and they do fit my body type very well. The next pair that I recently bought, I'm kind of like on the fence about. I might list these. But these are the Hollister high-rise jean legging. It's a 27S, so a 28-27 length. And that's what the butt pocket looks like. So it's just a nice blue denim with some fading on it, and then skinny pant leg. And this is an ankle style. And the jeans that I was most excited about, and actually decluttered my other pair that I owned. This is a mid-rise jegging ankle. This is a size 6 regular, and then this has a lot of distressing on it. And that's what the back looks like. So I had a pair of distressed leggings that had distressing all the way down at the bottom of the pant leg, and it was just really inconvenient to take on and off. So I sold those, and then I bought those, and then I sold my other pair. And the next thing that I have is, which I was really excited about, is this Green Bay Packer and Nike sweatshirt. It's damp in that center spot right there, so don't mind that. But this I picked up. It actually feels like it's really brand new. This I paid about $10 for, so super excited about that. And the next thing that I have is American Eagle Outfitters. The brand there, and it's just this super pretty sweater, and it's kind of like that like burnt reddish color. Super pretty. And the next item that I have is kind of like a splurge for myself. It's a pair of Under Armour jogger pants. So it's the Under Armour Storm. You can see where it says Storm right there. And so it has nice pockets on the front, and then it has the kind of like jegging style on the bottom. These I paid up for, and typically I wouldn't spend $13 in sweatpants, but they're the Under Armour Storm. They're super soft, super comfortable, and they have a decent sized pocket. I went ahead and I picked up a Columbia zip-up jacket for Avery. This is in a 4-5, so probably would fit him next year. And then I picked up 2 girl items. I do not have a girl, I'm not pregnant, but you always want to be prepared for the future, and when there's a really good deal, you can't go wrong. So I found this really cute vest. This is Old Navy. This is a size 3T, and this was $1.49, and it was 40% off at Savers, so like, why wouldn't I get it? And then there was this cute little bunny shirt. It is super adorable. So that is everything that I recently picked up from the thrift store. I've been trying to be super, super picky about what I buy, making sure that it's versatile. I can wear it for multiple occasions, and then I'm actually gonna wear it. I'm trying to not buy things to resell online, just because in the long run, I'm just trying to be more frugal with my money and working on that cash envelope system. So I'm gonna go ahead and put everything in a bag here, and I'm gonna go hurry on home and make some food because I'm starving. Guys, I am just laying on my couch now, watching some good old Tati on YouTube. I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here because I want to go ahead and edit it and then get it up for you guys today. And then once again, I just want to thank everybody who subscribed to my channel, entered in my giveaway, and I'm so excited to see all the comments and seeing my channel grow. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.